Hi, this is your Sinoy Boholano blogger, Doc Freaking Vlad, and welcome to Doc Vlad's Food Blog. It was the B-O-M-B. Good morning to all my friends and followers on Doc Vlad's Food Blog. This is your Sinoy Boholano blogger, Doc Freaking Vlad. I am here at Rastplast building. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And I am outside of a new shop that's being opened right now. It's called Trove. Trove is Trove Treasure and Brews. Right here at my back. Okay, so they specialize in selling souvenirs, coffee, and gelato. And the gelato part, here's some news for you. The gelato part compliments of Nuvoleta Gelato Shop here in Panglao. So I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you guys what's going on. Okay guys, today's the grand opening of Trove Treasures and Brews. Treasures being the souvenirs. And I'm making my way inside now, and we're going to meet the owners here. Okay. So as you can see, there are souvenirs here. Vanessa, the owner, one of the owners of Nuvoleta, is here also. And the gelato is right here. And there's coffee. More souvenirs here.
One flavor lang, hindi pwede mix. Ako one flavor lang.
And there's my reflection. And it looks like there are some pastries compliments of Teresa Hepden. From the baking studio. Okay guys, I'm here with Kim Sabandal, the head of marketing for Trove Treasures and Brews. Could you tell us something about the place?
Yes, hi everyone. So this our store is called Trove Treasures and Brews. So we believe coffee shop and souvenir shop as well. So we have our collections of local pasalubong and also treasures where our tourists can bring home on their experience here in Bohol.
Okay, that's great. Who came up with this idea, by the way?
So yes, it was actually just a concept of our boss, and they wanted to make their dreams come true. They wanted to provide a best experience for our tourists where they can just go on one shop and then they can get the best of Bohol's experience. So that's why they wanted to have the food and also the souvenirs in one place.
Okay. Okay guys, and there you have it. Thank you so much for...
Thank you. And yes, by the way, don't forget to like and check our website, and we have our Instagram and Facebook account. Thank you guys.
So we came here, we like to and we made a construction of reality corporation. Sa pagpalakpo sa tanang mga binuhat sa Ginoo, ang atong pagtrabaho o pagnegosyo makatabang usab kanato diya sa pagbansay sa mga buhat sa gugma ug sa pagtabang sa atong mga kaigsunan nga ray mga panginahanglan kini ang gipangayo pinagi ni Kristo ang Ginoo ang Ang Ginoo managa ninyo.
Ayos.
Magbasa sa Santos Evangelio sumala ni San Juan. Si Jesus bibiya niya itong napita o ipauli sa lungsod sa Nazaret kumon. Kung mikuyog kaniya niya mga tinunan. Sa adlaw sa ipagpahulay ni adto sa sinaguga ug nagtudlo sa mga tao. Daghan ang mga tao dito sa ilang pagkadungog kaniya nahibulong silang tanan. Busa na mutana sila diin man niya hikatulig kining tanan. Unsa bang matanga sa kaalam kini iyang napatunan o giunsa man niya paghimo mga milagro. Dili ba siya mahuman ang anak sa panday, anak ni Maria o iyang igsoon si Santiago, si Jose, Judas ug Simon? Dili ba yan mga
Hello guys, so I'm in my car. I received a gift from them, from Trove, for attending their event. I think it's a mug, coffee mug. So if you're, for tourists and even locals, if you come here to Panglao and you want a one-stop place for everything, for your coffee, pastries, ice cream, or do some souvenir shopping, get some pasalubong, come to Trove Treasures and Brews. It's located at Rasplatz building, just near Shaka Restaurants. They'll have everything you need there. Delicious tasting ice cream, great frappes and lattes, and some of the best pastries ever baked here in Bohol. So that's all for now. Take good care, stay safe always, God bless, and I will see you next time. This is Duck freaking Vlad Yosinoy Boholano blogger saying peace out, everybody.